How to withdraw in TikTok using Gcash. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you how you will be able to withdraw your money that you have earned inside of TikTok, in a TikTok shop specifically, using Gcash. So what you're going to do is you're going to open your seller center over here and you're going to locate finance over here. Simply select this and you will be able to see here withdrawals. Simply open the withdrawal page and you will be able to withdraw money by managing your accounts that is connected to your TikTok shop. So it can be bank accounts or cards. Now, how will you use your Gcash? So what you're basically going to do is you're going to link or get a Gcash card, which basically allows you to use Gcash just like a normal bank card or like an ATM card or a MasterCard. And you could use that to connect your withdrawal settings over here, your withdrawals or your banks that is connected. So we could add a primary account over here and you will be able to do the same process like connecting PayPal or connecting a credit card, but with the card that you will be able to get with your Gcash. So over here, link your settlement account, but we have to do this. But anyway, that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.